Hello and welcome to TMB Academy, your trusted source for in-depth learning on international standards and technology. I'm Akanksha Mishra, and in today's session, we are going to explore an important but highly technical standard called ISO 20681-2018, Space Systems, Terrestrial Reference Frames for Navigation using Satellite Constellations. If you are curious about how satellite navigation systems like GPS, Galileo, or GLONASS ensure precise positioning and maintain global consistency, this video will give you a clear understanding of the role of terrestrial reference frames and why this ISO standard matters. So let's begin. Basics of satellite navigation and reference frames. To appreciate ISO 20681-2018, we first need to understand some basics about satellite navigation and reference frames. Satellite navigation systems, also called Global Navigation Satellite System, that is GNSS, rely on a constellation of satellites orbiting Earth to provide positioning, navigation, and timing, that is PNT, services worldwide. Popular GNSS systems include GPS from USA, GLONASS from Russia, Galileo from European Union, and Beidou from China. These satellites continuously transmit signals that receivers use to calculate their precise location anywhere on Earth. But to do this precisely, everyone must agree on a common coordinate system or reference frame, like a giant 3D map with defined axes and origin points. What is a terrestrial reference frame, that is TRF? A terrestrial reference frame or TRF is a coordinate system fixed to the Earth used to define locations on or near the Earth's surface. Think of the TRF as a standard grid that covers the whole Earth, providing latitude, longitude, and height information. Characteristics of a good TRF. Stability. It should not shift or drift over time. Accuracy, it should represent the Earth's surface as precisely as possible. Accuracy, it should represent the Earth's surface as precisely as possible. Global coverage, works consistently anywhere on the planet. Compatibility, aligns with other global systems. Examples of TRFs. ITRF, International Terrestrial Reference Frame, maintained by the International Earth Rotation and Reference System Services, that is ERS. WGS-84, World Geodetic System, 1984, used by GPS TRFs, are crucial because satellites and receivers reference these frames when calculating positions. Why is ISO 20681-2018 important? ISO 20681-2018 provides guidance and standardization for how terrestrial reference frames should be used in satellite navigation systems. Why is this important? Different countries and satellite systems may use different TRFs or slightly different versions. Without harmonization, positional data can be inconsistent. Users switching between systems may get inaccurate or conflicting position readings. Precise alignment ensures global interoperability, accuracy, and reliability. Helps manufacturers, service providers, and users worldwide to have a common language. In positioning, in short, this standard bridges gap between different satellite navigation systems and terrestrial frames. Components and concepts in ISO 20681-2018. Let's discuss the core elements ISO 20681-2018 covers. Definition of terrestrial reference phrase. Standardizes the characteristics and parameters of TRFs. Transformation and alignment methods. How to mathematically transform coordinates from one reference frame to another with minimum error. Time-dependent changes. The Earth's surface changes due to tectonic movement, post-glacial rebound, and more. So TRFs need constant updates. Coordinate and velocity parameters. Managing not only position coordinates but also velocities and accelerations over time. Reference frame realizations. How reference frames are practically realized using networks of ground stations, satellite data, and geodetic measurements. Consistency and compatibility. Ensuring satellite constellations, reference frames align with terrestrial frames for seamless navigation. The standard includes recommendations on managing these factors in satellite navigation systems. Types of terrestrial reference frames and examples. There are various TRFs, but the most common ones relevant to GNSS are International Terrestrial Reference Frame, that is ITRF, the gold standard for global geodetic reference, updated every few years to incorporate new measurements. World Geodetic System 1984 WGS 84. The TRF used by the GPS system regularly aligned to the ITRF. National or regional reference frames. Some countries maintain their own TRFs, which may differ slightly from global frames. ISO 20681 guides how these different frames can be used and aligned in satellite navigation. Practical applications. ISO 20681-2018 impacts many real-world applications. GNSS receiver design ensures the device can interpret signals correctly based on standard TRFs. Satellite orbit determination. Accurate orbits depend on consistent reference frames. Geospatial mapping. Surveyors rely on correct reference frames to produce maps that align globally. Military and aviation navigation. Precision and reliability of navigation are critical for safety and operational success. Space missions. Earth observation satellites and interplanetary missions use terrestrial frames for ground referencing. Challenges in terrestrial reference frame management. Maintaining a precious terrestrial reference frame has challenges. Earth dynamics. Plate tectonics cause constant movement of continents requiring updates. Measurement errors. Atmospheric conditions and equipment precision affect data quality. Inter-system differences. GNSS constellations may update or define frames differently. Time synchronization. Ensuring timescales used in reference frames and satellite clocks are aligned. ISO 20681 provides methods to address these challenges through consistent definitions and transformations. Benefits of following ISO 20681-2018. Adopting this standard offers significant advantages: improved positioning accuracy and reliability worldwide, seamless interoperability among different satellite systems, reduced errors in navigations and mapping applications, supports development of new satellite constellations aligned with global standards, enhances user confidence in GNSS quality systems. So let's summarize this. The key points from today. Satellite navigation relies heavily on terrestrial reference frames, fixed coordinate systems tied to Earth. Different satellite systems and countries use different TRFs, which must be aligned for global navigation to work seamlessly. ISO 20681-2018 provides crucial guidelines on using, aligning, and managing these terrestrial reference frames. The standard addresses coordinate transformations, time-dependent changes, and reference frame realization. Applying ISO 20681 leads to better accuracy, interoperability, and user trust in satellite navigation. If you are involved in GNSS system design, surveying, geospatial services, or space missions, understanding and applying ISO 20681 is essential. Thank you for watching this detailed exploration of ISO 20681-2018 and terrestrial reference frames. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to TNP Academy for more technical and standards-focused content. Have questions or want us to cover related topics like ISO 20000, GNSS Basics, or Geodesy? Comment below. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. We will meet you in the next episode of TNV Academy.